Y'all, I'm filming on my phone, and the last video was I'm filming on my phone because it stopped filming because the camera died, so I charged it. And yeah, so yeah, sis. So cheese Danish for breakfast, as I said in the last video. Make sure you go check that out. And this my mango dragon fruit in the same video. Make sure you go check that out. So yeah, let's take a bite. I didn't take a bite. I didn't eat from the middle. I just broke it in half just in case I want some more later because I know I'm not gonna finish all of it. So I had Q&A questions. Right.
I'm done with the white part. Now I'll add all kinds of details. I have lots of time. Hey, Sam. I just wanted to chat. I need it. Go on. Don't get in the way.
I had a few Q&A questions, but I'm filming on my phone, and the Q&A questions were on my phone. So I'll just try to I just memorized them all. The first one is, how old are you in 2020 right now? My age is 9 years old. I just had a birthday. Well, 2 months ago. The next question is, what was your New Year's resolution? It was actually to start writing my name, like my full name, like Jada Dilly Everett, because I'm not just Jada, because my class number is number 4. So I just write Jada #4, because hashtag can also mean number. So, like, my mom told me, your name is not Jada, your name's not Jada 4, your name is Jada Dilly Everett, and then she put the date. So I did that. And then I've started to do that more often now, so. But I was thinking of eating healthier, but then I'm like, I'm 9 years old. I can't do that because I'm 9 years old. All I eat is unhealthy food, so I can't not eat unhealthy food, you know? Well, I can not eat unhealthy food. It's just I eat unhealthy food every single day. Like, why would there be a difference if I eat it every single day or I eat salad every single day? So, yeah. My cream cheese kept falling. Come on, cream cheese. I know you ain't creamy enough, but stay with me. There. I put a little extra cream cheese on there. That's why it looks so fresh. Mom, just me.